Okay, what I want to talk about now and show you is patterns. Now, when we're finishing, we have the typical pattern is vertical. And we have, and you'll hear me repeat this many times, we have a 6-on-6 and an 8-on-8. 6-on-6, again, we've got about a 6-inch pattern, 6 inches from the surface. 8 inches, 8-inch pattern, 8 inches from the surface. But the pattern, as we've discussed, on this gravity fed, this adjusts my pattern. I've got that pattern. That's pretty much open. I can tune it down to a dot and anything in between. Now this is, I'm kind of holding the gun, but I've got a nice oval pattern. No issue. But as I've shown you, and you'll see many times, I can rotate my air cap adverse to where I want the pattern. Meaning, if the air cap is setting horizontal, I'm going to get a vertical spray pattern. If the air cap is setting vertical, I'm going to get a horizontal spray pattern. Now, in the case, again, of the Apollo here, this is my adjustment. That's going to control my pattern. The Erlex, what we have a fixed pattern. We can't adjust the pattern. What we can do is we can go from a vertical, by pushing this in and rotating the air cap, to a round, and to, again, nozzle. The fluid cap is vertical, we'll get a horizontal. Let me turn it on, I'll spray a little bit, and you can see. So that's pretty much our spray patterns. So we understand that with a gun like the Erlex, we have a fixed setting. We also have a fixed pressure. And in the segment, setting up your gun, we'll show you how to deal with all of that. In the case of the other guns, we can, and those are more expensive guns, we've got the whole spectrum. We can go wherever we want. All right, let me clean this up and we'll come back and we'll work on setting up a gun.